Hello! Welcome to the fourth entry of this Mirra One series. Today, we'll replace an old gas cylinder with a new one. You can order yours from OfficeLogixShop.com. Before starting, we suggest watching the previous steps, which will be linked in the description below. You can't proceed in this step without taking everything apart first. Start by removing one of the covers that doesn't have the cylinder cable beneath it. It is essential to remove just that one to avoid damaging the cylinder cable head. Remove the cylinder cable head. Pull the head out like this. The cable will be now released for you to retract. Using a monkey wrench, detach the gas cylinder from the seat. Hammer the bottom of the chair to release the gas cylinder. Insert your new gas cylinder. Put the seat back. Connect the cylinder cable head. As shown here, push the circled part into its place, then press the latch and insert the rest of the cylinder cable head. Test if everything is working correctly by adjusting the height. Put the cover back. Now we need to put the arms back, but before that, you need to install the adjustable plastic rail mechanism. Make sure that you're installing them as shown in the video. Don't forget to visit our website, OfficeLogixShop.com, to view all the Herman Miller Mirra One high-quality replacement parts for the lowest price.